lacquer works really good on a countertop. Just make sure you prime it really, really good with a good primer, like 1, 2, 3, like I did. All right, got this stuff. Just applied a corner of it right there, and it came out pretty good. You can see that this countertop is textured, so no, it's not going to be smooth like a baby's butt. So we're going to wipe this countertop off. We're going to go ahead and put a coat of this lacquer on. And then what we'll do is we'll come back, because there'll be little bumps and stuff. You can't get everything. And then once we get all the little bumps off, just lightly sand it or scrape them. We'll hit it with another coat so it looks perfect. Of paint right there that I dropped. I don't have stuff like that because that'll be under the lacquer. Okay. Just wipe this off really good. The reason we're using lacquer is because it dries in 15 minutes. Gives you less chance of anything falling into it. And you can't see. Don't worry about the sink. This stuff will come right off the sink with a razor blade. Okay, we've got a light coat on that. Paint just like a car. As you can see, I'm not putting it on thick like I did with the test spot. We don't want that. Because with lacquer, you can see it's already dry down here. So come back and put the rest. Put a second coat. Cool about lacquer is it goes on dry. Alright, now I've got a fan going this time. Carrying the fumes out. Put our 3rd and 4th coat on. Just coat on that molding. Let it sit up for about a minute. Alright. About a minute. Wipe your arms of sweat. It's hot. Around the molding first. Go with a half overlap, 40 to 50% overlap. Let that dry for 15 minutes. See you in a bit. I wanted to concentrate, so I didn't film me spraying it, but I just put 2 more coats on this counter. White lacquer. It's gloss white, but it's not like super glossy. But man, did it come out good. Wow. Look at that. That is really nice, man. That is super nice compared to what it was. It's 1,000 times better. I was going to use a semi-gloss white water base, but I found a can of lacquer in the shed. So this probably cost about $0 after all the cleanup. And so yeah, I think lacquer works really good on a countertop. Just make sure you prime it really, really good with a good primer, like 1, 2, 3, like I did. And you'll end up with a similar result. Peace.